Good guys, it's your boy Fred Fletch back here again. And as promised, told you I'd get back to y'all. We're doing a coilover install. So it's always a good day when you gotta install on your SI. So it's time to slam this thing. Alright, so I found some used coilovers for cheap on Facebook Marketplace. So I just grabbed those. They're Maxpeedingrods. That's what the top hat says. Originally I had planned to buy those anyway. They're like 250 bucks brand new on eBay. Has the camera plates. Didn't see any bad reviews on them, so I was gonna get those for the time being because I'm on a budget right now. And yeah, if they were trash, then I would just say fuck it and get Rev 9 or Godspeed next, because I know 2 people with those and they said they're great. But let's see how these Maxpeedingrods are. I'm gonna install them for you guys, and then after a week driving, I'll do a review on them. So let's get it. What you guys want to do? Get your car jacked up and on jack stands. Safety is #1 rule. But yeah, first thing you need to do for the front is take this 12 off of the brake line. This clip off, you squeeze that with some pliers and just probably pop it through with ABS, and then 2 17s holding on the strut down below and up top. I gotta pop this out like that, and 3 14s, 1 2 and 3. Take those out and you get the front strut assembly out. So let's do that. Right, nut. So you hold that ratchet and then a wrench on this side and just pull those out. Take all that out. Strut's free. I just gotta loosen the 14s up top, and then this can drop out. So let me do that and then get back to you. That shock out. It's going pretty smooth so far for the front. It's not a bitch like working on my RSX was, but yeah, let's match up the coilover with the strut and just drop it in. One side in, onto the next. And I'll probably catch you guys when I'm doing the back, because I don't want to be repetitive. And it is not low at all. It's low, it lowered, but that shit's pretty firm too. But look at this. Like, that's not okay, bro. So yeah, I'm gonna jack it back up and lower it some more. Like, I want to be tucking, you know, just so we don't have to rub. But that's a little better. This is lower the next side and then do the back and then see how it sits after it settles. Back jacked up now. Front's like, it looks great to me. Oh, looky here, guys. It's gonna be in the next video though. Yeah, buddy. But I'm gonna take a water break. I'm dead. I gotta wash this car after this too. Shit. Bolts. Shit's kind of tight, so put some penetrating oil on it. Let it sit. I don't want to break nothing. I'll be fucked. But yeah, it's 2 14s on the bottom, 14 up top, Allen head. I'm gonna show you right now. 14 right there for the strap out. And that's not the correct way to get it out, but I just pried that spring out because that 14 up here was stripping, so I was trying to hide that, so I just pried that shit out. And this spring is a lot smaller compared to this spring, so yeah, I don't think I'll have a problem getting this in. But yeah, I'm gonna go up top and take the 14 out for the strut and then put that in. Up here, Should be like a bunch of screw clips. Take that. Holding this in, so just take 3 of them I see. Take those 3 out and then just peel this back. So yeah, let me do that. Let me get a fly here. Take the back off, has the Allen head in there. Hold that and then put a box wrench 14 on it and spin it off. So I'll get back to you. Literally an hour just to do this one with one wheel. Bruh. Yeah, the back is a little bit complicated if you've never done it before, but hey man, I just got it done. So yeah, put this wheel on and do the other side. It's been a long ass day, but I'm gonna pick up finishing the coilover install tomorrow. Yeah, sounds pathetic, right? But nah, on the driver's side and the rear, the bottom strut bolt 14, they got stripped. It was tight as hell to begin with, and then it stripped on me. It broke 2 sockets. So I'm gonna try to figure something out tomorrow after work to just lower that last corner. And yeah, so I'm gonna get back to you guys tomorrow. But man, the front was so easy and the back is just being a bitch. Like, I don't understand. This is the hardest coilover install I've ever done in my life. But can you expect? The car has 200+ K on it. Like, has high miles, so I expected it. It's just bone stock. But yeah, man, I'll see you guys. Day 2 of the coilover install, and with the help of my boy, we finally got this fucker out. Let me show you guys what we did. The bolt stripped, right? So we had to grind it and cut it and like heat it up and bend the brackets, and they got it out. But we finally got it out. That side's gonna be lowered on all 4s. This side is done finally. A whole day later. Let's put the wheel on, and yeah, I do some improvs, but we got it done. Thanks to the help of this guy. Boys, FA5, way lower than me, and my FG2, which is fully lowered now. Drive around and make adjustments later on, but yeah, man, that's it for the coilover install. So stay tuned for the next one. You already know what to do, man. Scroll down, hit that like button and subscribe button, and stay tuned for more on this FG2 build. I'm out.